I think some tactics or strategies, I would say, of course, as we are talking about it, like, doing, setting an example for them, that is actually something which we have to follow. But in terms of tactics and strategies, as I gave you an example of, like, eating. So basically, creating that kind of an environment. And as they grow older, if you think your child is, at a certain age that they can, pinpoint to an activity and so on, they recognize it, then you can also have those play cards in which you have like pictures of activity by activity, and then once they have completed it, or you show it to them, okay, now it's the time to do this. So they actually check mark on that box, okay, now I've completed this, and this is how, just showing them like how your day is going to look like. So having a picture of a kid actually brushing their teeth, and then in the morning they wake up and they're like, oh, this is the first thing I have to do, and so on. So basically, showing them visually. Then another thing is, if they are a little bit younger, you could actually kind of show them those picture books. Those I found to be like really helpful, like picture books or picture cards, where you're actually showing them, okay, this is what eating looks like, this is what reading a book looks like, and so on. So those things are very helpful. Another thing is, you could associate certain kind of things with the kind of habit that you're trying to form. So for example, if you're doing like potty training, you can associate a song for potty training. So they basically know, okay, this is the time to do this particular thing. So those are like simple strategies and tactics that you can actually do. And of course, like timing everything is also another thing which as parents you would know once you know your routine of your child, actually.